Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So in this video, I'm going to be doing a setup, a test, and a product review on these ELlights. So these are an indoor-outdoor LED smart light. There's a link in the description where you can find these. Please be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go get these things set up. Let's see what these lights are all about. Alright, so I'm just going to open up this box really quick, and then we are going to go get these things installed and see how they work. Not a lot to the box opening. There is your strand of lights right there. There's your plug or your adapter. And a little list of instructions on, looks like setting up your app online right there. And here's what looks like the little remote or the controller that your phone app connects to, it looks like. And that's everything in the box. Let's go get these installed. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and test these lights out by decorating this palm tree with these things and just see how they look once I get them all up and see what features they have to offer. So your first step is you just put in your AC adapter. Just make sure you screw that together nice and snug to the rest of your light string. It's got a little weatherproof or waterproof adapter. Just get that nice and snug. Same thing with your app controller. Get that screwed together nice and snug with your light string. Let's get this tree decorated. It's one thing I learned the hard way with palm trees is don't wrap your light strings around them, because as they consume water, the tree will expand. As it grows too, it will snap your light strings. So I'm going to go up and down in an up and down pattern on this particular tree. Alright, so that tree is wrapped, you guys. We're going to see what it looks like once it gets dark. Alright, you guys, time to put these lights through their test. We're going to go ahead and turn them on. Just for purpose of this video, I'm just going to go through each setting. I'm going to move the phone out of the view of the camera here just so you guys can check out the lights. And I'm going to go from 1 to 120. And let's see if these lights are worth it or not, you guys. Here we go. 120 different pre-programmed settings, you guys. Alright, so you do have your speed setting right here. You can change the speed at which these lights chase. Slow them down. You can speed them all the way up. You've also got a brightness setting right there. Dim them down, brighten them up. Alright you guys, so just some quick details or specs on these ELlights. So they are marked as indoor outdoor lights. They are waterproof lights, which is a huge plus. So also this is a 39-foot strand. You can put 3 of these strands together end to end, which is kind of cool. Also, these lights come with 100 LED, what they call dream bulbs. Alright, so just really quick, the best uses of these lights. So your obvious one is Christmas, birthday parties, weddings, picnics, backyards, porches, decks, gazebos, barbecues, tents, bistros, market cafes, rooftops, outside dining, dinner parties, gardens, gatherings, umbrellas. There's a whole variety of uses for these. Alright you guys, so as far as the app goes, it's really easy to download and use. We're going to go ahead and open it up right here. It's called LED Hue. So once it's connected, we can just flip the little switch on right here. So the lights are on. Go ahead and hit enter. And this is what the app looks like right here. So as you can tell, it's got our little wheel here. We can save our favorites. Now it does have 120 presets on here, which is amazing. That's a lot of presets that you can go through. Find one you really like, you hit the little heart, you can favorite it. You've also got your, you can go in and customize these. You can go in, you can change your follow speed, you can change your light brightness as well. You can do a lot of different things. You can customize colors, you can create your own. So this app is really straightforward, it's really easy to use. It goes up to 120 presets right there. Check it out. And you can just rotate through them all super quick, or you can pick them one by one. Simple as that, you guys. Alright, so time to go over the strong points of this ELlight string light, starting right now. Okay, so one of the first strong points I've noticed is just the number of varieties and applications and places where you can use this ELlight. This thing can be used just about anywhere. It's indoors, outdoors, you name it. And part of the reason for that is because these lights, you can just change the settings on these lights. They're not just like the regular Christmas lights that you put out and they just twinkle, or they're just on and they glow. These things have 120 different settings that you can change in the app, and so that's a huge plus right there. Okay, going along a little bit with that first big strong point, these are very waterproof. So if you look under each of these bulbs, they're totally sealed with silicone. They're going to be great for outdoors. They're waterproof, weatherproof, all of that good stuff, which is great because I am using these in an outside application. So this is perfect for that. A couple more strong points is these are the LED lights, and I did verify that if one of these bulbs go out on the strand of 100, you don't lose the whole strand. So that's great, because you know how frustrating it is to have one light go out and the entire strand is gone. Alright, so I have to admit, you guys, these are probably some of the very brightest LED lights I've ever seen, and even for outdoor lights, even during the daytime, these things are extremely bright, and that's very impressive. Also, going along with that, these brights with the app, you can dim them down, you can brighten them up, you can change the speed on the app and the chase feature, you can speed it up, you can slow it down. So that's another really nice positive right there. Alright you guys, so one more strong point. Unlike the strip LEDs, which I've shown you in this video right here, these lights, the ELlights, are flexible. So you can wrap them around trees, you can go up over things with them. They're actually mobile and flexible, which is really another nice feature. Alright you guys, time to talk about some of the drawbacks of the LED smart lights. So the first big drawback is these things are hella expensive. They're $69.99, and that is for a 39-foot strip with 100 of these rainbow lights on them. So kind of pricey. That works out to be about $1.79 a foot. Alright you guys, so one of the big drawbacks with this was that they did not advertise that this actually ran off of a Bluetooth. And so if I end up getting another string, I'm going to let you know how that works, because I wanted to have multiple lights at different locations, and so I'm not sure if it drops off of one and picks up on the other or not. So I'm going to update this and let you know how that works. But they didn't say anything on the Amazon website about this being Bluetooth other than this is wireless and that it runs off the app, which is great. So overall, you guys, is this worth the $69.99 that I paid for? For 39 foot, 100 of these rainbow bulbs that are LED, they're the smart bulbs, and it has the app that you can control. Like, I have to admit, after seeing it, after going through 120 different programmable settings, being able to adjust the speed, being able to adjust the brightness, these bulbs are so bright, and honestly, it's legit. It is really, really cool. Going into it, I was like, oh no, that's a lot of money. This is totally worth it. I mean, this thing is awesome. So honestly, I would give this product 2 thumbs up. The ELlight is totally worth it. So, you know, it is a lot of money, but you really are getting what you're paying for. This thing is really cool. Alright, so hopefully this video is really helpful. Please be sure and leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think of these lights. Also, be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos, and I'll catch you guys later.